How to clean and maintain a swimming pool. Manually remove all debris using a net. Turn on the pump and filtration. We'll continue to remove the dirt. Mix 100 grams chlorine to 1 bucket, tap water. Dissolve and mix it to the swimming pool water. You can also refill the swimming pool to refresh the water and let it overflow. After 2 to 4 hours, go to the pump room. Turn off the pump. Next, turn off all the valves clockwise. Valves from the drain and valves to the pool. Open the water trap of the pool pump. Some water will overflow. It's normal. Take the water trap. You will see all the debris. Next, open the air bleed of the filter. Counterclockwise, let the water and air overflow. The overflow stops. You can turn counterclockwise to open. Remove the cartridge filter. Spray pressure water until the filter is clean. It will take some time. Return the clean water trap. Not too tight, just hand tight. Make sure the O-ring is in place. Next, put back the cartridge filter. Return the lid. Make sure the O-ring is in place. To avoid leaks, then close the lid hand tight. Open all the valves. You will hear a whistle sounds from the water. Wait for the water to overflow in the air bleed. Before closing the air bleed, to avoid airlock. When all the valves are open and no water leak is detected, we can open the power and run the pump. If there's a water leak, turn off the power first before turning off the valves. Then reopen and close the source of leaking. Let the filtration run and clear the water. You can test the chlorine and pH. Let the filtration run and clear the water. You can test the chlorine and pH. Connect the vacuum for cleaning bottom debris. Do the maintenance once a week to keep your pool clean.